This is a short list. You can do it anytime, whenever you are at your desk, just to relieve some tension from the back of your neck, from the shoulders, and slightly down from the mid-back as well. Let's do it. Starting with some spinal rolls, moving in one direction, coming forward as you breathe in, going back as you breathe out. And then reverse it out. Come back to the center. Starting with some shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, squeeze towards your ears, and then drop them back and down. One more time. And then switch. Well done. Drop your right ear to right shoulder. Extend your left arm to the side. Option to stay here, or you want to go deeper, wrap your left arm just behind you. You can stay here, keep on breathing, or maybe swing your head just back and forth. Just notice how the stretch is happening from the side of your neck all the way down to your shoulder. Find your sweet spot. Maybe pausing or flowing. Release, lift your head up, release your hand if it is wrapped behind you. Drop your left ear to left shoulder. Option to extend your right arm to the side or wrap it around your low back. Keep breathing and keep noticing how one side is totally different than other. Maybe sway back and forth. Release your arm if it is wrapped. Come back to the center. Clasp your fingers, reach your arms up and above. Reach, pull your chest away from your waist. Exhale, face to the left, right hand to the outer left thigh. Left hand just holding the edge of your chair. Gaze in front of you or gaze over your left shoulder if that is okay for your neck. Few breaths here. Nice long deep breaths. Release. Reach your arms up and above. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand to the outer right thigh, right hand holding the edge of your chair. Twisting from the middle of your chest, notice how is your spine feeling. Release, reach your both arms up, exhale, release your hands, this time holding the both edges of your chair to open up your chest. As you breathe and squeeze your shoulder blades, gaze up. If you want to go deeper, hold the back of your chair. Release. And again, scooch your sit bones back to the chair again. Extend your arms for eagle arm variation. And then get your arms right in front of you. Right arm goes at the bottom and left arm goes at the top of your right arm. Maybe single wrap or double wrap. If these two variations are too intense for you, just hold on to the opposite elbows and lifting your elbows in line with your shoulders. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, tuck your chin towards your chest. Nice deep breaths. Keeping exhales longer than your inhales. Just observe at the back of your neck, middle of your shoulders, and down into your mid-back as well. Release. Extend your arms again. This time left arm comes at the bottom, right arm goes at the top of your left arm. Choose any variation, maybe single or double wrap, or holding on to the shoulders, dropping your chin towards your chest. Slower breaths. Last couple of breaths. Release your arms for side stretches. Hold the edge of your chair using your left hand. Reach your right arm up. Grow tall as you breathe in. Lean to the left as you exhale. Opening the left side body. Release. Switch it out. Grab the edge of your chair using your right hand. Reach your left arm up. Lean to the right. Maybe swaying between these two sides. like a palm tree. One last time. And then release. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comments below how you felt after this short practice. Put your hands at your heart center, bowing forwards. Namaste.